Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about color code register. So before we start this, we need to know that why was there a need to form a coding system for the registers. So we know that we have two types of registers. One is the wire wound and the second one is the carbon registers. So for that, wire wound are big, small range. Here we can take the example of rheostat and resistance box, which you must have seen in the lab. And then we have carbon resistors, which are very compact, inexpensive, and large range of resistances are provided by these carbon resistors, right? So since these are very compact, very small, like this, around 5 millimeter small, so it is very difficult to write the resistance value on that. So that's why there was a need of some coding system, and that coding system needs the help of a table, which I will not draw on the board here, but no, I'll draw it on the board itself. So this is black, brown, red, I'll first write the mnemonic for this. Black, brown rods of your gate became very good when given silver and here we need to remember this N, that's why I have written is N over here. So black, brown rods of your gate became very good when given silver color. So black, brown, red, orange, yellow, blue, violet, grey, white, gold, silver, no color. So this is the color, then number, then we have multiplier, and then tolerance. So we'll mark it like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then multiplier is written like this: 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 6, and then 10 to the power 7, 10 to the power 8, 10 to the power 9. For gold it is 10 to the power minus 1, and silver it is 10 to the power minus 2. And then we have tolerance for gold 5%, silver 10%, and no color 20%. Right? So this is about the table. Let's take an example to understand that, and let's mark these first letters to understand how to write the complete table. Now if you are given a question like this, let's take the question given in your NCERT only so that you are able to relate. This is given yellow, violet, brown and gold. Yellow, violet, brown, and fourth one is gold. So the first strand is yellow, second strand is violet, third strand is brown, and fourth strand is gold. So for finding the resistance, how do we write? The first number multiplied by second. These are the numbers which we have to write. Multiplied by 10 to the power third one, right, for third color, plus minus for fourth strand, tolerance for fourth strand. Let's see how do we write. First color corresponds to yellow. For yellow we have 4 number. Second strand is violet. For violet we have 7. For violet we have 7. So this is 7 into. For third strand we have brown. Brown, third one is multiplier now. This is 10 to the power 1. Plus minus, tolerance is for gold. For gold it is 5%. Right? So this is your resistance range which you will get by using this resistor. So this is how we calculate the resistance using color code resistor for carbon resistors. I hope you understood this. That's all for now. Have a nice day.